Good morning. It's early in the morning. I'm gonna take you guys out for a quick trip with the Mini 3 right outside the door, just trying out the functions. And the video today is sponsored by Guard Talk, distributor for Skyrate, who sent me this awesome little case that has my Mini 3. You can find the link in the description below. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? So I'm gonna be taking this out for the first time, really after my first flight that you guys seen in the prior video. And let's play around a little bit with the settings. We have some clouds going on, hopefully no more rain, but clouds make for great time lapses too. So let's give it a try. Every night you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, listen time, know the right way to go. Now if there's one thing that I really like about the Mini 3, then it's actually that it's so quiet. Because I'm literally standing here next to it and I can still talk to the camera. It's really quiet. Satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe. You're like a centerfold. Ooh, that's sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Testify the motion. Loving this devotion. Ooh, that's sweet. I'm not quite sure if you guys could see this just now, but I get like disconnection errors and I'm like literally in a wide open area. I have nothing else around me. It's weird. I was able to still control it, but it kept telling me that it's disconnected, aircraft disconnected, and I don't know, it's weird. See, it's doing it again. Aircraft disconnected, but when I go up and down, right here, it says aircraft disconnected, but it's still working. It's weird. I'm like literally right in front of it. Did I get a lemon? She just went into, I can't do nothing. Okay, now she like do something. I'm gonna land it right now, right here, so we can talk about this. Thought I'm gonna lose her there. Okay, so I don't know. I went out to take this out for a flight. It is a cute little thing, and it's really nice to have something mobile like that and tiny. Don't have to strap on any type of device to operate it. But I don't know if it's a lemon or whatever, but at first I did a regular fly through just to see how she handles and stuff. She handles really nice. Flight characteristics wise and stuff, you can't say nothing about it. This thing is really agile too. It's just what
bugged me was that I'm flying for like 10 minutes. All of a sudden I keep getting frequent disconnects with the RC. It says RC disconnected from the aircraft, and it still lets me control it to a certain extent. I put it into sport, brought it back because I was only like 300-400 feet away. Maintained visual line of sight, brought it back, and it just keeps disconnecting. So I tried turn down the screen brightness to half instead of full power. I turned off the video screen recording just to preserve energy or whatever it is. So the problem that I have with this is that I wanted to do a hyperlapse and I couldn't because I can't trust it. And this is literally like my second or third flight. So it's great in the beginning. So if anything, the first 10 minutes are immaculate, and I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong. I'm gonna try recreate this stuff, but for now I'm really disappointed in the Mini 3 Pro and just the connection part. I really like how she's tiny, how she's quiet, how it's nearly like invisible. As soon as you go 100 feet away from you, you can't even hear it anymore. I like the controller. It feels good. It feels great. It's super easy to handle. The screen is great. I haven't gotten to go into the settings yet, but I think descending like in auto looks freaking good already. The problem is if I fly like that, what I did earlier, and she disconnects and she wants to go home, she's gonna go straight up, because my return altitude is set to 100 feet. If I'm underneath the tree, she's gonna go right into the tree. You know what I mean? So I'm kind of disappointed right now. So I have to check this out. For now, in my eyes, this was a little bit overhyped, or people didn't really have it, or I bought a lemon. I don't know. I honestly don't know. But I'm disappointed. Sorry, DJI. Not sure what it is, but I'm glad that I bought it via Amazon, because if anything, I'm gonna return this sucker. You know what I mean? So yeah. Let's charge it up again and see if I can try it maybe somewhere else. Maybe it's my location. I'm around my house. I fly my other drones all the time. I don't know. Thanks for joining me. If you guys haven't done so already, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Most of all, be a nice human, make somebody else smile, and definitely pay it forward. I love you all. Aloha.